Hi, friends! Are you ready to meet some yummy, healthy vegetables? Let's go! Hi, I'm Carrot. I'm orange and crunchy. Can you say carrot? Carrot. Carrot. Hey there! I'm broccoli. I look like a tiny tree. Say broccoli. 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 Hello, I'm tomato. I'm red and juicy. Say tomato. 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 Hello, I'm bell pepper. I come in red, yellow, and green. Say bell pepper. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. I'm eggplant. I'm purple and smooth. Say eggplant. 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 Hey, I'm pumpkin. I'm big, round, and orange. Can you say pumpkin? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Hi, I'm corn. I'm yellow and sweet. Say corn. 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 Hi, I'm cauliflower. I'm white and look like a cloud. Say cauliflower. 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 I'm potato. I'm brown and round. Say potato. 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 Hi there. I am onion. I can be white, yellow, or even purple. Say onion. 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 I'm spinach. I'm green and leafy and super strong. Can you say spinach? Spinach. Spinach. I'm cucumber. I'm green and cool. Can you say cucumber? Cucumber. Cucumber. Hi, I am peas. We are little green balls hiding inside a pod. Peas. Hi, I am beetroot. I'm purple-red and love to stain things. Beetroot. Hey, I am ginger. I'm brown, spicy, and full of flavor. Ginger. Hi, I'm mushroom. I look like umbrella. I'm soft and tasty. Mushroom. Hello, I'm zucchini. I'm green and love to hide in dishes. Zucchini. Hello, I am radish. I'm small, round, and have a spicy bite. Radish. Hey, I am sweet potato. I can be purple or orange on outside and naturally sweet. Sweet potato. Hello, I am lettuce. I'm green, leafy, and perfect for salads. Lettuce! Yay! You learned vegetables! Thanks for learning with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.